Hello, this is Mobilant. In this video, we will learn how to install and detach the inner cable for the shifters used in electric bicycles and utility bicycles. This is the most commonly used 7-speed shifter. Please release the shifters completely. Usually, you can set it to the smallest gear. Then, you can separate and install the new inner cable. This is a recently popular micro shifter. It is an excellent product with excellent shifting performance at a price similar to Shimano's 7-speed shifters. It is also compatible with Shimano shifters. You also release the shifter to the smallest gear. Push the inner cable to detach it. The installation follows the same process, but it can be challenging to actually insert it. Although it varies depending on the shifter version. By separating the shifter cover like this, you can easily see the cable. There are types that are easy to check from the top, and there is a method where you can easily check the shifter inner cable from the bottom like this. You can check it from the bottom with this new product. While pushing the inner cable, use a pair of tweezers to lift the head slightly upwards, and then you can detach the inner cable. This product, like Shimano, can shift to smaller gears by moving in both directions. Among the recently released shifters, it showed a very good shifting sensation compared to its price. Here, as you can see, there is a plastic bolt like Shimano products. Just open this, and you can detach the inner cable. The method of replacing the inner cable is the same as the micro shifter. Now you can tighten the cover bolt again. The method for replacing the inner cable is the same as with a micro shifter. That's it. This product follows the same method as Shimano products. For Sram products, the gear ratio is 1:1, so make sure to differentiate and purchase. The products compatible with Shimano's 2:1 ratio are named MRX. You can easily detach it by pulling it. Now, take a look here. Please push the inner cable up. Next, you can simply remove it like this. It's straightforward, isn't it? Grip shifters do not provide good shifting feels, so we recommend upgrading to the lever-style shifters mentioned earlier. However, they are easy to shift and have excellent durability. Shimano has released products up to 8 speed. If you loosen the bolts at 3 points, you can detach the cover. Most shifter inner cables can be replaced like this. If the shifting is not smooth or if the inner cable is broken, we recommend replacing the inner cable. Additionally, if the housing cable or other components are damaged, please refer to the parts and tools indicated in the icon. Was the video helpful? Subscribing and clicking the like button greatly helps in producing more videos. Thank you for watching. This was Mobilant.